Hello friends, this is RK Sharma. So in our today agenda, we are going to create how to define the company. So you have to follow the following path: SPRO, then go to enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, and define company. The T codes to define the company is OX15. So click here, click on the new entries, and what is the company name? Say in this you need 6 digit. Either it can be numeric or alphanumeric. So let's say I'm defining this PI 0000. These are the 6 digit. Mean Piyush Private Limited. This is the name of the company. So this is the address or street. Say example street number 16. Postcode is 122001 and city is Gurgaon. Country IN. So you are looking here, this is a scare box like that. When you click here, system is going to display the country. So this is the country code, this is the country name. So you can select the country from this menu also, like India. So you select, double click onto there, and language English. You can take the help of this menu. This is like English. And currency, directly you can put the currency INR, or you can select from the list also. So this list is available for every country currency. So this is INR. Okay, just press enter. So in this scenario, when you save, click on the save button, system will ask you to create a request number. Because when we create any of the configuration or do configuration for any of the company or any of the components, we need to require to create a request number, because this configuration is saved into a request number, and those requests we had to copy from development server to testing server, so that the impact of the programming can be copied from development to testing server. So when I click on this save button, system will going to save asking a request number. So just I create a new request. See here, I'm going to write the short description for this. This is configuration of or define of company like Piyush Private Limited. This is the user who have created this. This is the date and so times. Correct. Now click on the save button. So now this request has been saved into a system. Correct. So just copy this screen from this to this, and can paste a Word documents. So this is what we have created. So here we are going to keep the track of the company also. Correct. Now click on there. So we have created, defined a company. Go back. Next step is to define credit control area. For this, the T code is OB45. Just click onto that. So click on the new entry. Say in this scenario, you need to require the 4 digits. Say I am going to put like PI double zeros. What is my currency? INR. Just put there. Save the button. Click on the green tick. Go back and enter the name PIYUSH Piyush Private Limited. Save the document. So now you have created this. So this means your company has your credit control area has been created. Go to position, put PI. System is going to display you. You can select here, or you can like copy this also inventories. So just copy this. It can have a screenshot here. So this is what we have defined a credit control area. Credit define credit control area. That area is PI 00. And in this define company, this is PI 0000. This is the 6 digit. Now the next step is going to define a company code. In the same way, we are going to define this PI 00. Let's see. So go back. Next step is edit, copy, delete, check company code. T code is OX02. Click there. Here you are going to define a new company. Just click on edit company code, new entries. So this is also in the 4 digit PI 00. Piyush Private Limited. City is Gurgaon. Country IN, currency INR, and language is English. Okay. Here you are going to define the company code. Just copy this one and make a copy of this. So here you have to put the address of the company. Click there in the address book. This is company. Company is Piyush Private Limited. Here you want to search with the name like PIYUSH. This is the state number address. This is the postal code. Say example 122001. This is Gurgaon. Here you will find the country list of the country. So country is IN. When you put the country here, that's mean the region field you are going to display the state of these countries. Like if country is India, here you will find the name of the states of the country. So in which state you have the company? Like I've selected this 007, the state of Haryana, and you have to fill up all the details. What is the PO box number, postal code, and code, telephone number, mobile number, fax, email in a real scenario. So here I'm keeping all this blank. So I have put input all the only the mandatory fields. Just save it. Now your company had been saved. When you click on the save button, system is going to display the time zone for India. Like you have make the input for country in and state is 074 Haryana. So in the same request number we are going to save. Here we are not going to create more request number because when we are going to create all these numbers here, we have to make the note for all this because every request have a configuration. That's why we have to make note down all those requests we have created during the configuration or the mapping of the system. Just click there. So your company has been created. Now the next step is that so define business area. What is the business area of your company? The T code for business area is OX03. So what is the business area? Maybe the business of your company is import export, logistic, automobiles, manufacturing, pharmaceutical, and many more. So like in our scenario, just click here. Our company is going to for manufacturing of cars. So click on the new entry. So here I am going to put in 4-digit business area in the same way PI00. So this is the business area for Piyush and Company, Piyush Private Limited. Just press enter and save it. So this is the business area. Say let me copy this. Business area. This is PI00 and I have saved it. So go to the next step. Consolidation business area. Maintain consolidation business area. To maintain consolidation business area, T code is OCC1. Just click there. New entry. Here I'm also defining the same PI00. This is a business area for Piyush and Company. Just save it. So go back. So here we have assigned this also. Now this in the definition, the financial accounting is over. So for this we have to in the next part like assignment. In this assignment part we have to assign the following. Like this is the part of FI consultant. So now let me assign all these things. So next part is say enterprise structure. If you will go through this like enter prices structure, then assignment, then financial accounting. So just copy the following path. Okay. So first here we are going to assign the assign company code to company. Just click here. So we have defined the company code like go to position. Our company code is PI00. So go to help and select the Piyush and Company. So like you will find the here company code. Piyush Private Limited. So that's when here you have assigned this company code belongs to this company. If you are having many more company codes, so all those company code have to map with this same company if they are belongs to the same company. Just save it. So here I have mapped this. Just copy this. Now the next step is assign company code to credit control area. Assign company code to credit control area. T code is OB38. So company code is PI00, and we have defined the credit control area as PI00. Just map it, press and save it. So yeah, I have defined this. Assign with credit control area. Next step is assign business area to consolidation business area. Assign business area to consolidation business area. Go back, click on assign business area. Our business area is PI00. Click there, and consolidation business area is also PI00. Just map this. So you'll find there. Save it. So here we define and assign in the financial accounting. So this part of the financial accounting is over. So thank you for watching the video. Kindly like the video also. Thank you very much.